This video we are going to watch is about the nature of the roots of quadratic equations. I have a very strong belief that after watching this video, you begin to understand how you can determine the type of root of a quadratic equation. Don't forget to like the video, you can leave a comment and share for others to also benefit. Thank you and enjoy the video. How do we determine the type of roots of quadratic equations? So today we are going to talk about the types of roots of quadratic equations. So basically we have three types of roots of quadratic equations. We have the distinct real root, we have the distinct and we have the equal real root, and we have no real roots. Okay. Basically, these are the three types of roots of quadratic equations. So in the case you want to determine the type of root of quadratic equation, we use the discriminant. Okay, so discriminant is used to know the type of quadratic type of root of the quadratic equation. So the discriminant in the quadratic equation will determine the type of root you are going to get. So we know that the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Okay. So we are going to use this to determine the type of roots of quadratic equations. Now, if b squared, if this discriminant is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0, it means if you solve this and you get a positive number, that's a number greater than 0, then you are going to have two distinct real roots. And if it is less than 0, then you have no real roots. Okay. So no real roots. And if it is equal to 0, then you have equal real roots. Okay. So this is how we use the discriminant to determine the type of root of a quadratic equation. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and I hope you really enjoyed the video and you understood all that I explained in there. If you have further questions that you want to contact me personally, my WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. You can contact me and I'm ready to help you anytime. Don't forget to share the video, to like and leave a comment. Thank you once again.